Hey guys, welcome again. In this video we will learn RSI and we will understand better price movement with that indicators. We will also get some sign from these indicators. That's why it's important, and it's in 1 day time frame. Yeah, that's okay. So just let me close this moving average because it's not need now. We are coming the part of indicators and we are just typing RSI, and straight away we see that relative straight index. We can say it shortly RSI, it's better. So I'm clicking on it, and as you can see it came on my chart. I'm just change the when you click on top of it you will see there's a setting. I'm gonna just change the look. I'm not gonna change color. I will just make thicker to let you see more clear, and I might make it orange, just it's more visible. So let's say okay. When we open RSI under the chart, we can see there is some price movement like lines, not candles, and as you can understand it's like copying the graphic, like it's going same. As you can see there is a drop, like goes up, it goes up, it's drop down, it's drop down, same as well. There's important things. Let me get bigger because it will be more visible. When you are see RSI, you need to focus just 3 things inside of it. Let me just show. This is the important part of what happened. Okay, now that's okay. So I might make it not style. I'll make it normal anyway. Yes, let's make it like that. That's okay. On RSI we need to watch out 3.1 is 50%, and second is I'll show with price level. You can plot on RSI also. Let me make it straight, and here, yes, that's it. When you see RSI under of this 50%, we will know if there is a drops up of 50%, we will know there will be rise. And 70 and 30%, I can say when price breaks 70% or level in RSI, I can say that price will like go up. Like, I mean, too many people made buy in that coin, and like there's a lot of buyers. That's why what we understand from a lot of buyers, there might have some drops because it's already get so big, and when we see this RSI crossing up of this 70%, we will know there will be drop. So as you can see here, it's breaks 50 and it's keep rising, and when it's over the 70, as you can see also on the graphic, it's dropped down. And when it's break 50, it's again trying the break of 50, but it's not successful, it's going down. And when it's dropped down of the 30, we can think that too many people sell it and price drop like pretty low, so for sure price will go up. We can think that. And as you can see on graphic and on RSI, price drop down under 30 and it's keep rising again. So this is important to know, because when this price under of 50 or up of 50, we will understand some sign from it. Let's say we are on uptrend and also RSI shows up of the 50, we can understand it's healthy uptrend, like that. Or we can see we can think like opposite. So let me just get closer. As you can see, when there is a movement, where can I show? See, there is a drop down and also there is a drop down, and there is a rise up, and there is a rise up. Most of time this RSI follows charts, and when we see there is uptrend, downtrend, or some stabilization, we can also get confirmation from RSI. That's why it's important. Also, when let's say, just let me see. Yep, just sometimes it's important to understand. Let's say the RSI shows under 30 here, as here. You can think when price there, it will go up, and as you can see, there is a 20% rise. It's daily graphic. You see it's little, but it's not. And also there is things that you need to know. As you can see, it drops, the RSI drops, it goes up, RSI goes up. I'm sorry. Sometimes it's moves opposite. Like, I find an example over here. As you can see, looks like a drop in RSI, but on chart it looks like goes up. When you see that chart, you see higher high and higher low, you might think it will go up, but as you can see on RSI it says opposite. There is we call it RSI diversion. When you see those kind of things, it will give you opposite direction. Like on that time you need to listen most of the time the RSI. Like, it's also up to bearish and bullish time, it would be opposite, because if you see there is a RSI diversion, you need to know also which market you're in, is bullish or bearish. That's important. As you can see, there's a rise and you would expect rise, but when you see there's a drop on RSI, you can see that part, you can understand there's something's going wrong, and when you find out it, you can save your money 9%, and after it's again fixing. Or if it's opposite, it's will be opposite on charger. So you need to find this kind of RSI diversion to make or save your trade. And also when you are using RSI, you can use it with trends, especially with trends is best, because you can find downtrend and uptrend, and when it's end of the uptrend, you can understand from RSI too. Same like here, as you can see, it's over 70%, and when it came here, there's a drops, and you can also understand the price. There's too many buyers, the price already gets so up, and it's also giving some signal inside of the RSI. It's telling its price so up, just sell it and save yourself. And after you see there's a drops, if you see these signals, you will also save, like as you can see, 10% of profit, which is really huge for trade. And also you can see some sign over here, as you can see. So like that's why while you're making trading, you need to use RSI, you need to get a signal as much as you can. You also need to see the divergent things on RSI and chart.